The highest paid Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Mukwala Dese na launch new car bi a science no kire say car na wakoto no e kire say obetina Kumasi Asante Kotoko details and more me dey bro ofia car no wa ha me dey to screen so ama enche kra Mukwala obeka say Mukwala sign ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko in 2022 na na yam ponsambre so August na o sign Mukwala sign 2 years 2 years with an option to extend. Next year ye wuramu achinechi ya no contract na beba wiye na nkomodidi ahyase negotiations ahyase ama Mukwala ask for increment from the $2,000 a month salary a oje no say nka bi be so dia na nka watoa so asan ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the event say club bi ba no ho a Kotoko betimi ayren a cash out because Mukwala already know Kotoko Fano as a free agent. Yes, me say hi Super 24 TV information will be as unsubscriber wadam no hit the rest subscriber team no about man so amame they are build it together. Follow your social media handles also Facebook is Super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi blog man. Yes. Now Mukwala car wakotonie me said the nim ka musa into senior citizens. So car no sign na a die nim ho no mobɛboa me with car ni din I don't know so we a Chrysler na say Chevrolet me shede nim car musa inti wadarama mu ha na mu de car ni din ato ama me na car new one DV number plate na she car no mu no DV na Mukwala akɔgye ne fofora ntumu se ejaba no ho pan oba Kotoko no enyebetew so we na Kumasi Asante Kotoko posted in 2022 August no from Kampala to Kumasi. Welcome Mukwala. The Ugandan joins on free on a free transfer for a period of 2 years with an option to extend for a further year. So or sign 2 years with an option to extend. Let's just say in the next August no 2 years ne beso sa one extended the let's just obeko free agent and no na matter say nkomodie ahyase a Mukwala akotoka free die let's just say areshemu wo mu say or extending the contract no bitima sa sign be 2 bi ama Kotoko in the events a big club biba no or kwa Kotoko betimi a cash out. Mukwala this season so far were very impressive. Total goals are washe 8, total games are boy 15 and I washe 13 goals involvement in 15 games or 5 goals and 2 assists in the last 5 games in the Ghana Premier League. So what I say the total minutes near 1.160 minutes. Yes, that's it. Mukwala ne starts ne year for any big contract. Obetimi agree. It's good say watoka no and there's a sign say Mukwala ebe agree new contract with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The blog man maybe medjuma me cha be brave.